Hi, welcome back. For this episode, we're going to look at HoustonCheapFireworks.com. And the first thing that grabs my attention is, and we're just going to sit here for a few moments and kind of look at their opening intro video, which is actually, there's the repeat. This is when I first loaded here. It's actually pretty cool. So you got some coupons, lowest prices in Houston. Warehouse location. No smoking. What the? This is the new rage in stands. Is they take the old container carts or shipping containers and turn them into fireworks stands, which is kind of cool because they can serve as dual purpose as storage as well as a stand. I've looked at some of these and they're roughly $4,000 to $5,000 a piece, but it's still pretty cool. Okay, so let's take a look at their locations. This page cannot load. No. Google Maps correctly. Let's take a look at their schedule. Fireworks during the season window leading up to the New Year's and the 4th of July. Okay, I like this. This is kind of cool. Little calendar. Okay. The specials. I like that. So I like the fact that they put the prices up there so you kind of can see, you can compare before you head out if you're in the Houston area. Obviously doesn't look like they can ship. Safety photos, coupon. I like coupons. So let's take a look at this coupon. Let's go here. Oh, go back to coupon. Okay, so here we go. You must be a subscriber or to our mail list, text list to view the coupon gallery. No, I don't want to do that. Sorry. And then, of course, you got your contact. Let's take a look. It's just contacts. Let's go over to products. Okay. Now you got some 28 tube display. Again, it's kind of cool. I like that. Only thing is it's 28. Your artillery shells or canister shells come in 24. So you're going to leave 4 blank. But, you could just go take this one right out of the middle if you want. Availability, Super Warehouse. And they got 12. Kind of a box design. 50. You got Firefly firing system, which is something I like the video. Again, no pricing. Pro remote firing system. Another little firing system. Okay. Well, that's kind of cool. I'll go back over here and see if I can see the other one. Kingdom firing system. I haven't heard of Kingdom before. Let's take a look at this video, see what it's 3 minutes. So.
Houston Cheap Fireworks is proud to be representing the Kingdom firing system. We use some professional systems that cost $3,200. This one's going to be way less than that, just a couple of $100. This comes with a 20 bank firing system with a remote control. Also comes with the power pack. It has rechargeable batteries, 825 feet range. This is a really awesome piece here. This is going to be able where you can fire all 20 at one time. You can step them. You can also even link multiple firing panels together. This is a great item. I'm going to show you guys how to use a electronic match here with our Kingdom firing system. We're going to use this 2-minute military smoke as our example. So basically you're going to take the fuse out of your product. Be sure that your firing system is off and not in the firing mode when you're doing any loading of any type of fireworks. So you're going to take your electronic match, which is sold separately here at Houston Cheap Fireworks. Simply unstrand it. And then you can pull it back. Now it's got this red safety tab on it. You're simply just going to feed this back where it's going to expose that. Simply line the fuse up, pull the red cap back, which will hold the fuse in place, and it is ready. Alright, now that you're ready to put your electronic match leads onto your firing system, just simply pull off the safety cap. You're going to see the two exposed wires. I always like to pull them down just a little bit. Fold them back, just like this. Once again, make sure your firing system is on the off position, and then the safety key is off. You got a red tab and a black tab. The polarity doesn't really matter on which ones that you put it in. You just want to have continuity. So simply just press it down, insert the wire. Do the same on the negative. There you go. And if you'd like to fire more than one item, you just go ahead and you go all the way up to 20 with this particular product. Okay. After you get all your electronic matches put into your firing system, you need to check for continuity before you try to do your firing. It's very easy. Just simply press the test switch, and there should be a blue light up on the terminal. That means that you have continuity and it is ready to fire. Let me give you an example if it is not ready. So let's take this one lead out, put it in test, see how the blue light doesn't come on. So if there's no blue light, no continuity. So make sure that you have all your continuity on all your leads before you try to do your show. Now we're going to finish our demonstration here with our firing system, our wireless firing system with the E-Match. This thing once again has a range up to 825 feet. Fantastic. So we have the product right here. You notice that we have the lid down to protect it. It is ready to go. We're going to demonstrate with that military smoke.
So yeah, on this one they're demonstrating an E-Match, which is kind of cool. Some people prefer the Talon. Why don't you leave your comments and tell us which one that you prefer. I know this Firefly is up and coming. I kind of want to get one of these to test it out myself. So leave comments and let us know which one do you prefer, the Talon igniters or the E-Match, or if you have experience with the Firefly, let us know. It's always good to share best practices with each other, so that way we all have a great holiday season. Okay, so on this one, we look at their artillery shells first off. You got the Black Mamba. Let's see if they have. Okay, the multiple pictures, no real video or product, and of course no pricing. So that does make it a little bit more challenging if you want to price things out and kind of put together a show on a budget. You got the Judge Texas size super shells. Looks like this one is a big product, I believe, which is based out of Texas. Oh, they actually have a video for this one. I can't tell. What is this? Let's go. Yeah, certified black label. Let's just kind of take a look and see what these shells do. Okay, some good performance on that. And let's go down to our multi-shot cakes. Again, no pricing, which does make it kind of difficult if you want to price it out. You're deciding you want to do a 200 gram finale board, and you want to put 5 of them on there. It's kind of hard to utilize their website to price things out before you head off to the store, but that's okay. And then 500 gram. Got some palm, 200 foot palm. Come on, have a video, have a video. It's a 15 shot aerial cake with 500 grams of powder. No video. And I've seen this ammo crate at another vendor, and I'm just kind of curious. Let's take a look at this one. Wow. Okay. A lot of minor type effects. Firearm series. I haven't heard of firearm series, so let's take a look at revolver. What this one says it does. 9. Doesn't sound long. Sorry, I turned the volume down. It's a little loud. Okay. Got game changer. Looks like big left freedom ring. Multiplicity. Poseidon. Shrapnel. Warning not legal in all states. Okay, you've got my attention. 270 shot, 500 gram cake. Wow. Okay, with no video. Southern Comfort and a white stag. Okay, and let's move on to our Roman candles. Patriot Torch. I haven't heard of that before. 120 shot by Red Rhino. Okay. Oh, they got a couple. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. You got it staked in the ground. Okay. I like how they all have tails on them. This one will look really good in our super candle rack. Maybe a little 2x2, or put that in the middle with a 3x2. Give you a little bit different effect. And then tracer rounds. This one is by Hog Wild. Okay, let's take a look at this one. The spacing on the firing is not the greatest. But again, if you're putting it with something else in one of those super candle racks, then you got really kind of a different effect with that, which is actually pretty cool. So let's take a look at some assortments. Oh, the Warehouse. What's the Warehouse? By Red Rhino. Let's take a look at this one.
Welcome to HoustonCheapFireworks.com. Today we're going to talk about this amazing product from Red Rhino Fireworks, the Warehouse, with over 1,400 fuses. This is a great family fun pack. Just want to show you it weighs over 64 pounds. It comes with these convenient handles so you and your friend can carry this out to your family party. So let's talk about a little bit about this spectacular fireworks that are going to be located inside. Look at all those things here. An entire family night of entertainment. This is an amazing family pack, probably the best I've ever seen. It's got a wide selection of the smaller items here with sparklers, tanks, strobes. Then we got a big selection of 200 gram cakes here. Huge selection of Roman candles, including the Big 8. Tons of artillery shells. And look at all these 500 gram cakes that are in here. This is just an amazing pack. Come on by and see us here at Houston Cheap Fireworks. And don't forget to get this Warehouse pack from Red Rhino.
Okay. Yeah, I kind of would wish that they would add the pricing on it, but I would anticipate $400 or $500 on that one at minimum. Okay, and then of course you got your gender reveal. Okay, well, You know, we got some. Looks like they got some good products, some different brands, some different manufacturers. Unfortunately, no real pricing on them. But you know, the little store. So if you're in the Houston area and when they're open, if you want to do a store tour video for us, get some pricing, that would be awesome. Again, this is going to be HoustonCheapFireworks.com. And thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Instagram, where our mission is to help you light up the sky.